In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount on Just Eat. First, open the Just Eat app and sign into your account. You will see the familiar home screen filled with tempting restaurant options. Signing in is crucial because it ensures your account is secure and your order history is saved. If you are new to Just Eat, you might need to create an account first, but for now, just enter your login credentials. Once you've signed in, you can begin exploring the delicious options available to you. This step is the gateway to your meal, so take a moment to get comfortable with the app layout. Next, add items from your chosen restaurant to your basket. Browse through the menu options, and once you find something you like, simply tap on it to view the details. You can choose items, customize them, and specify quantities. Once you have made your selections, add them to your basket. This is an important step because it allows you to gather everything you want in one place before checking out. You'll see your basket icon reflecting the number of items you've added, which helps keep track of your order. Proceed to checkout. When you are satisfied with your selections, tap on the basket icon to view your order summary. This summary will display everything you have chosen along with the total cost. At this point, take a moment to review your selections. Ensuring that everything is correct is vital as it saves you from any last-minute surprises. Once you are ready, look for the button that says Checkout and tap it to move forward in the process. On the payment screen, tap I have a discount voucher, voucher code, or add voucher. Depending on your region, the wording may vary slightly, but the function remains the same. This step is your opportunity to apply any discounts you may have, which can make your meal more affordable. It's always worth checking for any available vouchers. After tapping, you will notice a field appears where you can enter your discount code. Enter your discount code. Make sure to type it exactly as it appears, paying close attention to any letters, numbers, or symbols. This step is essential because a small error could prevent the discount from applying. If you have any doubts about the code, double-check it against the source where you found it. This attention to detail ensures you get the savings you deserve, and it can make a significant difference in your final bill. Tap Apply. After entering your code, look for the Apply button and tap it. This action sends your discount code for validation. If the code is valid, you will see the discount deducted from your order total before you complete your payment. This confirmation is reassuring as it ensures you are benefiting from the discount. It is a satisfying moment that adds to the excitement of your order. Keep in mind that most discount codes can only be used once and may have a minimum order value or expiration date. Understanding these limitations is crucial because it helps you avoid any confusion during checkout. Always check the terms and conditions associated with your discount code. Some vouchers cannot be combined with restaurant offers, account credit, or other promotions. This is an important point to remember, as it can affect your overall savings. If your voucher doesn't work, check that you've entered it correctly. Additionally, ensure that your order meets the voucher's terms and conditions. This final check can save you from frustration at checkout. By following these steps, adding a discount code on Just Eat becomes a straightforward process. Enjoy your meal knowing you got the best deal possible.